Look at this forward drive. Look, the front end. Come on. Yeah, boy. What is going on, YouTube? You join me at the roadside with a 500 horsepower WRX Sti. Middle of the road business. Gonna go for a nice little chill POV style drive. It's a different style of POV. Never done it like this. I've got it mounted rather than mounted to my bloody forehead. Yeah, this one's a bit of a weapon. The claim is 500 horsepower from the previous owner, 500 foot-pounds of torque. It is a huge specification car. Of course, guys, WRX Sti with a huge wing, track-friendly exhaust system, NK alloys. We have a Blitz adaptive suspension. You can actually adjust it inside the cabin. Sorry guys, we are literally on the curbs right now. We're active. 2.1 litre stroked engine, rocking a 2.5 litre crankshaft, forged Cosworth internals. We have a upgraded fuel system, 1050cc injectors. Have a little look at the cabin. She's nice and clean. We have Nardi style. I think this is a Nardi steering wheel. 6-speed manual transmission. We've got all the custom gauges. And we've got those Recaro original STI buckets. Clean car, and if you see down there, that's where you can actually adjust the suspension so you can stiffen it up. It's actually in a really stiff setting right now, but as I said, we've got this mount here. We're going to try a little something, guys, something a little different. Love myself a Scooby. These are just the baddest things on the street, in my opinion. They are literal rally cars. The way they lock up and put down power, like it's like they just hook up and hit a fucking train track and just pull you away, man. Anyway, let's see what she's like, mate. So yeah, as I said, different angle. Let me know what you think. Not something I usually do, but I like the fact it's just mounted and we're just ready, you know what I'm saying? Turbo sounds crazy on this thing, guys. Hopefully get some nice audio as well. We're trying to do POV / ASMR, yeah, so if there's pockets of silentness, I know that's not English, but you know what I meant. Have a listen to that turbo, mate. Steering instantly so alert and like, I wouldn't say, I mean, let's not say on edge. M3s feel really on edge, but there's just a bit more of a smoothness to this, but it's so effortless. Look at this, I'm just turning so small inputs in the wheel. Oh shit, bridge. Missed the bridge, lads. And fucked up, didn't we? Yeah, this adaptive suspension Blitz. I'm not even going to mess with the settings, guys. Obviously someone's going to win this car. Don't like to mess about too much, but yeah, apparently you can soften it, you can stiffen it. Stop dribbling a Scooby, man. You need to get out in one, man. Come on, boy, on his bike and that. Come on. My guy is active. So you can hear those fuel pumps. This has got a like serious fuel system upgrade, so all details are on the website, but you can hear it in the back there. Sounds like it's got a swirl pot almost. Second gear, I think the box is just stock, man, but oh, M2 there, come on, let's go second gear, because oh mate, the turbo is just sick. Got Brembo brakes as well, forgot to mention that. Feels so light on its feet. I reckon that is probably the lightweight ones. I mean, these are fairly light cars. They've got to be like 14, maybe 1500 kilos. But maybe they are, I don't even know, they might be lighter. Haven't checked. But if you open the boot on this, it is so light. I mean, third gear, like, it's just, yeah, traction is another level. Definitely short ratio box. 6-speed. Sure, people usually do 5-speed swaps, don't they? And like the Evos, and mate, it is stiff. It's definitely a little stiff. I need to mess with those. Settings for sure. But just very easy to drive is what I'm going to say. Initially, it just anyone could jump in this and drive it. Obviously, we've got a bigger turbo. It's still a hybrid, so stock housing, but got to rev it a little bit. I can't see fucking nothing right now. No, even at this speed, man, it's yeah, definitely need to turn the dampers down a little bit. Can't see anything, man. Fucking hell. fucking feel like just complaining right now. Like, Earth, you're trying to kill me. I mean, someone's got to get moaned at. I am actually waiting to get back in because I've just downloaded the Lego Batman. Have a listen. Look at this forward drive. Look, the front end. Come on. Yeah, boy. Nice. Yeah, she's quick, man. Apparently 500 brake, 500 foot-pounds of torque. Definitely like more mid-range punchy. I haven't even looked at the RPMs, but because of how bouncy the suspension is, you definitely got to be a little bit cautious. I mean, there ain't no bumps up around here, but it will literally bounce you off the road like it's fucking Flintstones, I think. Front is nice, man. It's just like back in the day, I just never thought four-wheel drive cars could have a front end like this. These just, like I say, they have a little tiny bit of understeer, the tiniest bit, but yeah, they're like M cars, bro. They're like M cars, but with a ton of traction up front. Oh, mate, it is so hot right now. Why so hot? Just the bass and tone of my voice is terrible because the other day I was complaining at the rain, like, why is it raining? Now it's like why is it hot? Got aircon, but the problem is the baby's there. It's like, do we want the baby to be stone cold? Hopefully I lost my... Let's have a quick look. Second gear. Bleed off the throttle. Next to no torque steering this thing. Fucking son. Fucking buggy there. Fucking baby in there. Oh, no way. Gotta go check that, mate. That is a baby. Thank motherfucking God. When you have a couple babies and that, lads, trust me, man, you turn into a bit of a different human being. The thought of me, the thought of that being my baby in that pram, all sorts of whackings. Yeah, the rebound on this suspension is crazy. That needs adjusting, man. We'll get that sorted, definitely. Like all the touch points are just nice and light and easy, but it does feel very mechanical at the same time. It's like, it's easy, but at the same time it does require effort. I mean, that sort of makes no sense, does it? This is what you do, man, when you buy a car like this. You just want to listen to that turbo. You don't need to go crazy. looks good. First time I've forgotten to adjust it when getting in the car, but yeah, definitely these half style buckets, like even like when you get in G80 M3s, man, game changers. Definitely a little bit more uncomfortable than, you know, probably the bigger comfort style seat, but for performance driving, which is what these cars are, you really do need that bit of support. Honestly, like small little mods like tires, brakes, seats, like these are all the things that, like, you know, people want to quickly increase the power of their car when gaining some more confidence, and yeah, gaining more confidence will make you go way quicker. You want to be able to get yourself into a position where you can grab your car by the scruff of its neck and have full 100% confidence and control of the vehicle. Don't want to be gambling, you know. We're on some Forza Horizon thing right now. We're just keeping it moving. Let me know if you want me to do some more little drive outs. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, life's kind of good, man. As in, you have your ups, you have your downs. Just remember, when things are smooth sailing, expect something to go wrong, guys. It's just what happens. You have the most amazing news, and then all of a sudden the next day, everything's upside down. So just, it's not, no, I wouldn't say to, I mean, me, I expect the worst in anything, whether it's a friend, someone I've met, no matter what the situation is, I expect the worst. So when it does happen, I'm not ever surprised. I don't have any expectation from anybody. I expect everyone to let me down. I expect everyone to talk shit about me. That motherfucker that I just met, that ain't my friend. I know you from socials, bro. Like, we ain't friends. And then motherfuckers be like, yo, Ricky, mate, you're talking shit. So what? You know, some people, they'll act on that, like, oh, what? No, wait, what, he's talking shit about me, yeah? So what, man? Bro, your own family will talk shit about you. You think you give a fuck about on social media? You can't even, you got friends that you grew up with that be talking shit. Anyway, we are just waffling right now. Some of you probably completely forgot I had a baby girl. So, you know, just try to get my work done and try to get back to see the kids, man. Love it. It's, you know, would love to be there 24/7, you know, but we do got to work, guys. I'm still working, you know, editing, filming, plotting, planning. It's not over, mate. We still got a long road ahead, a lot of hustling, a lot of work to still do. Very grateful for you guys, man, that have followed me, and you know, you still continue to support me even on this channel. I love this channel, man. Love it. No expectations, none of this crazy presenter Ricky. I just jump on, drop 2 and 2 bars, and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no bitching and that. What the fuck, bro? You're supposed to be LLF, G. None of this. Yo, LLF, man. What are you doing, bro? Man, honestly, like, the negativity on my main channel, fuck that, bro. Listen, I dropped one video. Motherfuckers be talking shit. Fuck that shit, man. You know what I mean? 3rd gear, yo. Come on. 6-speeder. Anyway, it's my bit of waffle. But yeah, the Scooby, man, she's nice. Nice. Speed camera. Rev match. Down to 3rd. Hold the speed. Flat throttle. Oh, yes. Mate, she's sounding sick. This is, you know, I grew up playing like Need for Speed, watching Fast and Furious, and there's a few other cool games, man. But the point I'm making is these Jap cars. These are the sounds that we heard in all the games growing up. I'm saying that these are the closest thing to the games. That's all I can think is when I hear the sounds, I just think of games. Anyway, look, I think I am going to end the video there. As always, please, I need you guys to be hitting the thumbs up, man. Just hit the thumbs up, that's all I need. That's all I need from you, thumbs up. Of course, if you're new, if you've just bumped into the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. Anyway, I think that could be a video, mate.